The largest U.S. utility to install smart meters in customers' homes, Pacific Gas and Electric, is using the power of data to manage the fine line between generating power for all 9 million customers and still shaving peak demand.
It is customer service and customer satisfaction. That's one of PG&E's goals, and it's part of their mission statement. It's to serve customers. With the new technologies, such as smart meters and smart grid, they could serve customers better. So this includes simple solutions as presenting your data to you and providing access to you and third parties as a customer, as well as outages and as well as notifications and other technologies, mobile, for example. And it's applying all of the industry trends in order to meet the goals. And again, the goal is customer service, safety, reliability.
As a vertically integrated utility serving 70,000 square miles of California, PG&E is responsible for generation of power, customer usage and billing. And unlike other utilities, PG&E is decoupled.
So revenues are not coupled with usage. It's actually the opposite. PG&E and other utilities, about half of the U.S., are incented to reduce usage, and it does not impact the revenue, which is a concept that in other industries just does not make sense.
PG&E employed Capgemini and Teradata for strategy, data infrastructure, and analytic solutions to meet customer needs and understand power demands. The critical solution for understanding? Cross-functional analytics.
The transformer has been typically managed by the distribution team, electric operations. By having customer data attached to this transformer, you have what we call the connectivity model, right, that links from transmission all the way down to customer. And with that connectivity model and with the customer data, you can now validate and provide different views into these assets. So in the past, you think about it as you are getting a read from the transformer or from a device on the transformer. Now you have the ability to take what that read was and disaggregate it among all of the customers that are using that transformer.
By integrating customer data with usage data, PG&E is able to predict supply and demand more accurately and offer demand response programs for customers to opt into in order to save money on their energy bill.
There are different programs. So time of use, it's a fixed price for the different periods. With Smart Rate and some of the demand response programs, you could have a lower price for a typical usage, but if PG&E declares an event where customers should reduce their usage because the cost is too high to purchase or generation is down, then by declaring that event, a customer are incented to reduce their usage. So those are more targeted because you don't know when you're going to call those events.
Understanding customer usage, PG&E is also better able to manage infrastructure, knowing when a neighborhood needs a new transformer or if the current hardware can transfer the load.
So I think most of these are what we call descriptive analytics, right? So one of what we hear the most from peers, utility peers, is that, oh, you have the data in one place. That's a huge win, because a lot of utilities do not have the data in one place, data that they could rely on. So we're finding these descriptive analytics first, and then we move into the special use cases. So a use case as the transformer load management, use case for revenue protection is another one, and it's not about theft. It could be unbilled revenue, or it could be opportunities where to improving not only the billing but the service to the customers.
With the data in one place, data governance is key.
It is key, and we identified this need early on. We knew that building a new solution was not going to be successful if we did not also launch what we call a platform governance program. And the reason is that without governance, there's chaos. You cannot rely on the data data quality could suffer, and therefore the use and the value of the solution is reduced.
PG&E, Capgemini, and Teradata, using smart meters and data to power analytic solutions.